Hi, and welcome to Rockin Pricing. My name is Kurt Robertson. I'm the owner and creator of Rockin Pricing, and I'm here to show you how to install the program. Now, it's very easy, but we're going to go over it step by step to make sure everyone is up and running on this. Now, I'm installing this on a Macintosh computer. However, a PC computer is very similar. I'll very briefly tell you the differences as we go along here. First of all, you'll need to download Rockin Pricing, which will give you a zip file. And I would assume that everyone has downloaded their program over the internet, so we're going to go from the point you have the zip file. So anyways, the zip file here is something that you need to open. And you're going to need to open it with an expander utility. The archive utility works fine on the Mac. If you right click on it, you can select that. On the PC, you can right click on it. It'll expand the zip file. Choose one of the archives there. So let's just choose that, and it will expand the file. And it's almost done. There we go. Now it creates a folder, Rockin Pricing 1.1 for Mac or on a PC. Now you're going to need a place to put this folder. Now it will work if you open it right on the desktop and click on it. However, that's kind of a messy solution. So what we need to do is double click on your hard drive, and you're going to have a spot where you have applications right here. Okay, so we're going to drag this folder onto applications and release. Rockin Pricing will be in the applications folder now, and just like so, there is a subfolder in there. So Rockin Pricing 1.1 is what it's called, and it has a little icon that has a folder and a play button over it, just to make sure that you can see it. Now, a couple choices here. One, you can drag it down to your toolbar to make it easy to get to, or if you'd rather not do that, you can click on applications, which is right here, and then click on there, and that will give you Rockin Pricing as well. So let's click on that. And the first thing that you'll notice is that it'll have an account name and a password. Now, the account name is a default thing in your user where it'll say account name. I'm using my wife's computer at the moment, but we're going to change that to user. And we're going to type in the password that allows you access to the program at this point. Now, don't click the remember this password in my keychain if you're on a Mac. So we'll put that in, and instead of clicking OK here, we're going to change the password, because what you want is a secure password. So we're going to put the old password in, and we're going to put a new password in, and you're all set to go with your own password. Now, make absolutely sure that you write down that password somewhere on paper. Don't put it in your computer. Write it on paper and put it somewhere safe where you know it is. That will allow us that if there is some sort of an issue in the future where you're having a question or something, we will be able to help you. You will need to get into the program to get technical support. So anyways, we have our little main screen here. Now it has an arrow to click where you need to understand something. And what it means is, I understand that the prices listed for supplies are subject to change and may change at any time. It is my own responsibility to check and update the prices and make sure they represent current costs. Vendors change prices just like we change prices. So you will need to periodically, once or twice a year, go through and just check the items to make sure that they're current. Now, you don't need to update every single one. You just need to update the ones that you're using. So we're going to click the arrow and continue. And that takes us to the main screen of Rockin Pricing.